Taking medicine in the future could be as simple as eating a salad.
The example that we're actually doing at the moment is to have a multiple sclerosis drug in tomatoes so that people with chronic multiple sclerosis could maybe have their Greek salad and have some level of medical protection from the disease.
These drugs are based on molecules known as peptides. They are smaller than proteins and carry out important biological functions such as regulating other molecules, and some even act as hormones. Several peptides have pharmaceutical potential, including as potent painkillers. But because most break down if they're taken by mouth, Professor David Craik and his colleagues have engineered them into more stable circular peptides called cyclotides. Cyclotides are naturally found in some plants, so Professor Craik's team can embed them into edible plants such as tomatoes.
One of the issues with current painkillers is that often they don't work. And then we also know with opioids there are horrible addiction problems in the so-called opioid crisis. This is a different class of molecule that doesn't have those addictive effects.
Professor Craik says the potential applications extend beyond chronic pain and disease to areas including agriculture.
We could be creating a new biofarming industry in Australia where farmers could be, rather than growing a crop that might be worth $100 a tonne, it could be worth $100,000 a tonne by producing a high-value medicine in those plants.
The innovation isn't far from becoming reality, with the first crops potentially commercialised in the next few years.
Obviously there's lots of regulatory and social and ethical issues that we would need to address in doing this, but I think it does open up a new world for combining agriculture and medicine and delivering medicines in a novel way.